Welcome back to the Conquer Your Fear channel. Today we're going to talk about restoring the white LED emblems that you might have on your truck or car. As you can see the difference, I just cleaned this one and these two are yellow. So real quick, what do I use? Lacquer thinner, clean rag. Put some lacquer thinner on the rag. Just gonna show you real quick how it works. Bada bing, bada boom. Go over it a couple more times. I was a little depressed when I seen this turning yellow. So like, wow, man, it didn't last more than 5 years, I'd say. But now I get to bring it back to life with some lacquer thinner. Remember to wet your rag in different places. Don't use the same rag in the same spot because it has a residue. You really can't see the yellow as bad, but it is. You can see it now, right? See how much yellow it is? All right, so I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button because it makes the world go round. See you later, brothers and sisters.